So with the heat, with summer, onset of summer and the departure of winter, these this was red radish. It has bolted. What does bolting mean? That it has provided stalks to do flowering. So you can see that lots of flowers here. Um, these flower will in turn develop these pods. Can you see the pod? Yeah, which in turn will produce seeds. Now what happens is in many places they actually eat these pods, tender pods. You can make them into a dish along with potato and other things and eat it. They're fairly tasty. So the concept being that if you have 8 to 10 of them, you let 2 or 3 of them develop seeds, and from the remaining you collect the pods and you make a dish out of that. So at least you're still utilizing the plant to provide you some good food. I did not. I planted this one late. I've been planting throughout the season. This particular one was late. Not enough time to develop the radish beneath, but at least you'll get something from the top, and it still provides good food. Not, I don't know how many people know about the radish pods, but they can be very tasty. You just need to harvest them before they're ripe. So, for example, this one, if you see, you can see it's reddish now. This is this one is ripe now. You will not eat it. These ones are much tender. You can harvest them, eat them. So, this was a quick update on the radish pods. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.